Alrighty guys, so do you hear that? Yep, it's a whole lot of nothing moving right now. So all of my rigs are off right now. Granted, I don't have that many compared to a lot of you other big miners out there, but our Colossus 12 GPU rig is down. All 11 470s with the 1570 running the B250 mining motherboard. Our Pixie rig is down. That is running the HP motherboard with these PCI splitters there, and it's running the R9 380Xs. We also have our Cyclops rig, which is running the H110 Pro with 1060s, some 1080s here, and what else do we got? 2060 and the 3060. There's another 1080 down there. And then finally our latest rig here, which is our two 580s with our RevTech board. So you might be wondering what happened. Well, I was moving a little too fast in Hiveos, setting up another rig, and I set up the rig, and then I was like, oh, I named that wrong, whatever, or wrong password or something. So I was like, oh, I'm going to go ahead and delete that rig. And I thought I was on the rig level, and I went into settings, and I went to delete. And you know when it says like, hey, type in yes to confirm, and as I'm typing in the word yes and I'm hitting enter, I see the word farm flash in front of my face for a few seconds. And then it tells me my farm has been deleted. And I go to the home screen and my farm is gone. So let me show you guys exactly what I did. Alrighty, I am in Hiveos. I just got done actually setting up and recording this video, and that's when my mistake happened. And that is for my RevTech board build. And yeah, so what I wanted to do was, and this is just a PSA to you guys, is I wanted to come in here, select the rig, and then what I should have done is you need to click into the rig, then go to settings and go down, and under advanced settings it says remove worker. So what I did, in all of my glory, not paying attention and moving too fast, was I selected my farm and I had my rigs in here. And you see how that checkbox is there? I don't know why my mind went to this, but I went, okay, click on settings. Then I thought, okay, great. I'm going to scroll down and click advanced settings, and I just hit remove farm, and like it pops up and it says, you know, blah, 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 and I'm like, okay, great, hit yes. And as I hit yes and click confirm, I went, yeah, I'm not going to say the rest. We're on YouTube. Let's keep it appropriate. But I was so, look at this. You are going to remove a farm, the Hobbyist miner. Removed farm cannot be restored. Are you absolutely sure? So, guess what I'm spending the rest of my night doing? So I need to go get the USB drives, or the solid state drives from each of my rigs, and I need to re-add them. And guess what? I need to add all my flight sheets. I need to recreate all my wallets, all my overclock settings, everything. Now, granted, I only have 4 rigs, so this is not as insane as it is for some of you guys that have 100 cards or whatever. But yeah. So I'm about to put a pot of coffee on, and I'm going to spend the rest of my night getting my rigs back up and mining, because this is complete loss of profits right here. So this is a public service announcement from the Hobbyist Miner, letting you know when you're in Hiveos to slow down, take your time, and don't delete your farm. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.